I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and today I'm going to talk about the Zuma LED 100. Here you have it in front of me. I'll be doing a comparison video between this and the Godox SL100 and go over why this might be the better choice or the Godox is the better choice. But let's start off. This one cost $135. It's a very basic minimum 100 watt LED. It's all metal construction except for the knobs, this plastic piece here, this plastic piece here, and the plastic handle. Flip it around to the back. One thing you might notice straight off the bat is that on the Godox it has an LCD screen, which this one doesn't. Again, this is it's basic. It has an on and off switch. It has a dial that goes from 1/16 all the way to 1:1. Very simple. No brainer. So let's turn this on. Right now it's on 1/16 power. If we turn it up to full, that's 1:1. It is very bright. Let me get that out of my face there. Just so you know that the settings on the camera on recording this video is 160 of a shutter speed. It is at 650 on the ISO, and the aperture is f4. So that way you know I'm running all LED lights in here, so everything should blend. This is daylight balanced. It's a 10,000 luminant LED inside here. At once, I just blinded myself. Even at 1/16, that's really bright at this distance. I did a test, and we're going to go and switch to the box real quick. So I'm going to put a rectangle box on here. Shut this off. Unlock this. So I always recommend that everyone should always take their strobe or their Pro S brackets or whatever off the stand, mount it onto your softbox, and then put it back on the stand. I think it's a lot easier and you're not fighting yourself. So let's turn this on. Turn it on full power. All right. So it illuminates this box very well. When I did test between the Godox and this one, I got f8 at 3 meters or 1 meter. And I got f4 with the Godox. Again, I'm going to let someone else do some testing on this if they want to buy one of these and test it with their Godox. Again, my testing might be different, but again, I just pointed it up against this wall, put the light meter against it, and had it 1 meter away and tested. The Godox came out again at f4, and this one came out to f8. Again, it's a very inexpensive but functional LED. One of the other things that I've noticed is with the Godox, the fan is a lot louder than this one. This one is quiet. You actually have to put your ear up against it to actually hear it. It's extremely quiet compared to the Godox. And again, this is a lower priced unit. It has more output and it has a quieter fan. But it does not have an LCD and a remote or switching channels. This is all manual. Again, if you're looking for an LED light for your studio, and I will be doing a video about the Zuma LED 60 as well, and comparing it against the Godox SL60. But if you're looking for, again, a low, inexpensive LED light, this might be the one for you. The Zuma LED 100, and it says photo and video light. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.